So hello and welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video we are gonna make a purge command, and of course we will start by copying the ping command and then we will paste it. So first of all we are gonna rename the thing and then a cool new little description. It will be purge the damn messages because this thing sounds cool I guess. And then we will need lots and lots of option. And one more thing, we are going to need a package, and it is known as Discord Purger. And you might ask Shishui, why will we need a package for literally purging messages? And by the way, install it via npm Discord Purger. And now let me tell you why we need it. Well, we can simply do interaction.channel.bulk delete messages, but that is lame and cringe. Why will you literally do that when you can have multiple options like purging a particular user's message, purging messages including something, and stuff like that? And here comes the damn package I made. It is called the Purger or something. Well, I don't know. Let's just do this, and then we're gonna require the package. And please don't ignore any of the brackets or something. And anyways, the first thing, we can simply make our purger like this, and we can add another option like we can have accept emoji, and then we have reject emoji. This cross thing comes, and then we have this handle property. It is like automatically handle the thing or do not automatically handle the thing. By default it is true. You can set it to false, then you will need to do some work, but I'm going to show you the easy way, so we will do nothing. And then comes the options. And of course guys, as you all know, I'm lazy as fuck, so I'm not gonna literally write all of that, and I'm just gonna paste all of these options. So you can see now we have all those damn options. So then we have this message variable. So first of all we are getting this integer option, it is called number, and then we are getting the number of messages to delete. And then we have this user thing, we are getting the user to delete. And then we have this string thing, like this string. Well, I will tell you. Well, for example, we have this message end option, like deleting messages ending with some particular string. Such module, we have this string option, which includes the string to delete. And of course we have this number option, it includes the number of messages to delete. And for the user message option, we have the user, like to delete message of this user. And now let me show you how the purger works. So first of all we are gonna do purger. This is our object dot purge, and then first of all we are providing the module, then the damn interaction, then the channel to delete, and then the number of messages. Alright, these four are simple stuff. And then comes this user or string. What is it? Well, for example, if we have this option, well, the user command option, user messages, then we will need to pass a user, and the user thinks the user value will be truthy only when a user use the user module. And if, well, we need the user object for that user message thing, and we need the string object for function like message dash ends. So we are just gonna provide this thing in our extra option, and I guess this is it. That's how our shit works. And now let me move forward. Alright guys, now we are on our Discord, and now let me test the stuff. So first of all we can just do purge messages, and then we are just gonna provide 4, and then it will purge the 4 messages. It said the purging thing, and then it purged those messages. So you can see the thing works, and it automatically replied successfully purge messages were from these users and stuff like that. And of course the thing, we said 4 messages but it purged 5. So this model is gonna purge more than, well, it will increment the number of messages by 1. And in order to prevent that, you can just provide, well, let me open the Visual Studio Code. Well, in here you can just provide messages -1. Alright, messages -1, but leave that. Now let's go on to Discord once more. So well, let me just show you that other stuff works too. Well, let me type some stuff. Now if I do /purge user, and then I type 2, holy shit, and then I type 2, and then the user will be this crazy bot guy, and then you will see the crazy bot messages were deleted. And now let me show you some more stuff, like, well, let me just type some random stuff. Right, so now let's do /purge messages, which includes, well, first of all let's type 3, and well, let's type 4, and then the string will be 2. So it will purge the messages including 2, and bam, you will see these messages were deleted. Well, that's how the stuff works. I guess. Let's just try something else, like, let me think, what else can we do? Purge link messages. Well, let me just pass some links, I guess, com.youtube.com, and let's provide some literal links. Let's see, www.youtube.com, and let's just type some random stuff, and let's do slash purge link messages, and number will be 2, and let's see if it will delete any of the links, and bam, it deleted the links. And now let's just test purge bot, and now let's see what will happen, and boom, the bot messages were deleted. So you can see the stuff works, it works pretty much. And now let me show you about those cool stuff. Well, where is Visual Studio Code? Dude, can you see the Visual Studio Code? Alright, you can. So now let me show you another thing. Well, first of all, we can just change the emojis. Like, we can change the accept emoji and the reject emoji, but I don't really think I need it. Now comes the handle false thing. So let me do another thing. Const x is equals to await that, and after that let's log the x thingy, and control plus C, no dot. Alright guys, now let me show you the changes after that handling thing set it to false. So if we purge two numbers, you will see a small difference. Well, let me show you the Visual Studio Code. So you can see, most probably, well, can you see it? Alright, you can see it. So now it log does this. The type is equals to success, message is this, and data is this. So data includes the users and the number of their messages were deleted. And message is just a simple message. And type is success when it is success, and of course it is error when it is error. Well, that's how you can. Then later on you can do custom replies. Well, let me show you how you can do that. Wait a second, I will just go to the definition of my own package, and there I will show you how I am replying to the stuff myself. Wait a second. So you can see I'm just doing an inefficient way of looping through each and every value of our object. Well, just ignore that. Well, it is just simple JavaScript, you can do it. And just let me show you a bit about my package. Wait a second, Shishui. And where is, well, let me just show you my whole damn screen. If you can see, alright, you can see it. Now let me show you my Discord Purger module, I mean the package. Now I will just show you about the custom error handling. So we can get errors like this. Wait a second, boom. So there are four kind of error. First, invalid channel, when you provide a wrong channel. Second, invalid number of messages. And the third one, invalid user. And the fourth one, message is not found. So these are the possible errors you can get. And the error object looks like this. Type is error, message is some error message, and the damn ID. And the success thing I just showed you. So that's how the stuff works. And if you need any more help, just tell me. And thanks a lot for watching. Bye.